Hey guys, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to make electrolytes, okay? We ordered this stuff all the time, and 30 packets is like $45 or something like that. They're selling it now at Walmart. I saw that $8.97 for 6 packets. So, but we can make it cheaper. We have the stuff. We've made it before. We love it. It tastes great. You can add whatever flavors you want, like the Crystal Lights. You can do lemonade. They got blackberry lemonade. They got peach. Billy bought grape, so he's going to put grape in his. And I got these to try these strawberry lemonade. So, let's get with it. If you guys like your electrolytes or want to try using them because they're really good for you. If you feel run down, you've got a cold, you've got that stomach bug,
leg cramps,
you got a hangover, whatever, you need your electrolytes. So we're going to show you how we make them. So I've got Redmond salt here. This is the really fine salt. And we're going to put in 5 tablespoons of salt. And this is the good stuff. And it's not like bacon. It doesn't have to be, exact. Close enough, though. And they actually have, like, the recipe on that Lmnt website. So, we're not just willy-nilly in it here. We're using the same amounts. So we have potassium chloride. Oh, sorry. I'm making a 30-day supply. I thought I better say that. This isn't for one bottle. This is a 30-day supply. And for the ingredients, I will leave them in the description box if you just want to make one bottle or if you want to make a 30-day and then how much that you use for that. Okay? So we're making a 30-day. So it'll be 15 for us because each of us will be having one a day.
Yeah.
So 5 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of potassium chloride. It's got some lumps in it. And this stuff says that enjoy the essence of healthful living with our pure potassium chloride powder. Excuse me. A premium natural salt mineral substitute designed for the conscientious consumer. Raw, unflavored electrolyte powder dissolves effortlessly into any of your favorite beverages, offering a filler-free path to electrolyte replenishment. So, there is that.
And you can sift that, guys.
And now we
as you put it in there, it gets all the lumps out.
Yeah, it has a lot of lumps, so we're going to magnesium malate. Of this, we're going to use 2.5 tablespoons. Get it open. And all this stuff can be bought on Amazon. That's where I got it. That's 2, and then we got a half. All right. Got all that. Let's just stir that baby up.
Pretty simple to make it, too.
It is. That's all that's going in it. So let me get another bowl. I forgot to get out a bowl. And we will sift it for you and show you what we do. All right, I got another bowl so we can sift her into that. Because you want to make sure when you have a little funnel or something that you're going to pour it into your water with. Now, this is a 30-day supply. You can also buy individual containers like at Sam's Club, them little dip containers with the lids, and fill those up each time. It's 3/4 of a teaspoon of this. So if you want to do it that way you don't have to measure it out every day. You just pop the lid and pop that into your water. Allergies are killing me. Woo!
And you can see that's a good reason to sift it.
Yeah. Because this stuff right here has little bitty pieces of it. All right. All right, guys. So I have a 20-ounce bottle of water. I took some out of it. Took a drink. And I have 1 packet of strawberry lemonade. It said use whatever flavor you want. If you don't want to use a flavor, you don't have to. If you like the taste of a little bit of salt in your water, that's what we like it too. We liked it without the flavoring. I bought the Redmonds, the crystal salt, the bigger pieces, and we suck on some of those sometimes just because if you're feeling down, you need your electrolytes, you're craving something, suck on a little piece of salt. Anything, guys, we're trying to lose a little bit of weight.
It helps with the sweet cravings.
And, you know, electrolytes, you don't have to be on any kind of low carb or diet, anything, but you need your electrolytes every day. Sometimes you don't get all that stuff in your food, so you need these, okay?
And if you're laying in bed at night and you get leg cramps, this is the cure right here.
So we're going to put in 3/4 teaspoon of what we just made. So a 1/2 teaspoon. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon. Get that down in there. I think I got the end of it wet. Something. Okay. Get in there. I used it a while ago, so I think I got the end of it wet. It didn't dry yet. All right. So, now I got this strawberry lemonade. Because I love strawberry lemonade. And we'll put in about a 1/2 packet. Shake her up. Wipe this off because I can't stand that. All right. Give her a try. And I like that salt. That if you've never used Redmond's pink salt before and you've only used white salt, try this because it tastes totally different. White salt has a real strong salty flavor, which, I mean, when you want salt, yes. But if you use this, it's a different taste and it's not as strong. I don't know how else to say that, but it takes more of the pink salt than it does a white salt if you're salting your food.
And if you're buying the Element, it's about $1.50 a pack. This here is about 50 cents. So
oh, probably not even that.
It's probably even less than that.
I gave $40-some for both of these, and then plus I'd already had the Redmonds, but plus I bought this. But you can go to the Dollar Tree and get packets. I wanted to try the strawberry lemonade. Yeah,
get the sugar-free Crystal Lights or whatever they have there. And
yep, Weiler's, whatever. Yeah. He said he bought grape the other day, so he's going to try grape.
That's what I'm going to use tomorrow.
They even have root beer.
I know.
And pineapple. Mm-hmm. So, guys, I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, leave them below. And like I said, I will leave the ingredients and how much of each to use in the description box. They said we just made a 30-day supply. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a salty day.